Hey guys, I'm here again. Just wanted to show you guys what I purchased for the car so we could power wash it, make it a little bit easier on us. Got a new hose. We got a new Mosmatic gun with a swivel end. We got a new attachment for all this new setup that we're doing. We got something to spray underneath the car, so we'll talk about that. We got a new foam cannon because the other one that we had broke. So we'll talk about all this here and how I ordered it. I know there's a lot of people out there selling them as a kit, and they are pretty pricey. But here's how you're going to order it if you want to do it on your own and order all these parts from different places. Give you a better idea of how to do this. When I looked at it, I saw plenty of videos out there reviewing the product, that they purchased it from someone as a kit, or maybe they purchased it separately, but nobody really gave which parts went here and there, and it made it really difficult. So I'll show you here how to build it, parts to order, and I saved myself about $100 doing this. So we'll get started here. We're gonna get started with the Mosmatic gun. So you have your quick disconnect and your plug for this. For the hose, I got a brand new hose. The one that I had, I didn't like it anymore. So we have a quick disconnect here and a quick disconnect here. For your Mosmatic lance, we have a boot that we're gonna use and a quick disconnect part and a plug. So these are right here. Here's the plug over here. We still need to tape everything, guys, so I will tape everything. I started to tape these right here, and then we're going to torque them. I bought the foam cannon, and it came with a quick disconnect already, but I changed it out for a MTM stainless steel. So you see MTM here, and it's a stainless steel part. Torqued it up already. So that one's good to go. That's an easy one. I've already used it. It's great. We're going to show you how it works. Way better than what I had before. So I definitely do recommend that one. So let's get started. Again, the ones that don't have the tape, we're gonna tape them up and torque them. I'm not gonna show that because that's pretty easy. But here is the tip that you're gonna need. This is gonna be your quick disconnect, and this hole needs to be 1/4 to go in. So basically, you're gonna take it here and tape it and then torque it. And here we go. And this is your plug. This is a 3/8 plug. And so you take it here, your 3/8 plug, and you screw it in. And that's easy. You're gonna torque everything, right? We're gonna do our lance next. And your lance has a boot that you have to order separately. It goes there. And then you have this end here, and you tape it and torque it here. So that's how it goes. Right here. And then you have this end. Here's the one that you're using, the plug. And this plug is a 1/4 inch plug, and your tip here is a 1/4 inch to quick disconnect. And now you have these here. These are 3/8, and of course, again, remember this is 3/8. So this one will go taped and torqued here. This is again 3/8, tape and torque here. And then this is our M22 plug. This M22 plug will go into my power washer, and then this is going to connect here. So kind of visualize this here being your power washer. These are the tools that I'm going to be using to torque them. So just so you have an idea of what you're going to be doing. So here I'm going to take this and then torque it as much as I can. And then here, we're going to take this one and start doing it there. This one is something interesting I found at Home Depot. Quick disconnect plug with a 1/4 inch. Nothing I can really modify on this. But as you can see, the package here, you're able to do your gutters, but what I'm using it for is to get under the car. So basically you take this, you swivel it up, and then, you know, I'm going to go as low as I can and then spray the bottom of the car with my lance. So I thought that was going to be pretty cool to get under the car. So we'll move into what you're ordering to make it a little bit easier. And I'll show you here on my phone. So here is the MTM site, and you're looking at all the plugs, and it is confusing. So we'll start with the Mosmatic Gun and start from the top and go down. So this is your quick disconnect plug, and you have the pictures, right, that you're going to use. So you see here your male end for a quick disconnect part, and you're going to go here and you're going to go to the male. So male quick disconnect quarter, and that's this one. And then we want to go back and pick the plug, and this plug is a 3/8 plug, and it's a male again. So go down here, and we said it's 3/8 male, so 3/8 male. Okay, and then we're going to go with the hose, and those are 2 quick disconnects. So you're going into your quick disconnect, and see here, these are your female ends, right? So go down to female, and remember these ends for the quick disconnect are 3/8. So female 3/8 is what you're picking out right there, female 3/8, and they're both 3/8. So this one's a 3/8. And now we're going to this tip here. Let's take it out so you can see it. Quick disconnect again. And you see it here, male. And this tip is a quarter. So male quarter goes here in that end. And then you have your last one. Let's take it off so you can see it. So we're going to go back to the plug, and this is your quarter again. Take a look at the picture, female, and you pick it down, and this one goes here. So guys, that's pretty much it. Again, you have to grab your tape them down, torque them. You have your tools, and you know, that should work. This is going to make it a lot easier for you guys to do it on your own. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment below, and like and subscribe. Thank you guys.